Been recently diagnosed with diabetes and your friends have started suggesting a workout plan for you to control your blood sugars, then this video is just for you. Exercising against the gravity have a lot more beneficial effect when it comes to controlling diabetes as compared to the normal routine exercises. When I say exercising against the gravity, I mean to say climbing upstairs, squats, push-ups or normal wall push-ups are also can be done to control your blood sugars. Studies suggest exercising like squats have helped people by controlling blood sugars up to 35% compared to the normal exercises. So start a workout plan, check out a workout plan for yourself. Start with lesser repetitions, gradually increase your repetitions, increase your flexibility, and note the changes in your blood sugars as you go ahead with your exercises. I'm Dr. Mahesh Patil, founder of Six Care, Diabetes Reversal Coach. You can join our WhatsApp community for more such updates on nutrition and diabetes. Are you suffering from diabetes and have a query of why I should keep doing exercises to bring my blood sugars in control? And this video is just for you. I am Dr. Mahesh Patil, Diabetes Reversal Coach, and let me explain you why exercises are beneficial when it comes to diabetes remission. Do you know we are made up of tens of trillions of cells and every cell needs energy for its daily functioning. So whenever we consume food, it is converted into glucose and released in the bloodstream. Simultaneously, insulin also comes into action to help deliver this glucose to every cell of our body. Now even muscles are also made up of cells. Muscles also have insulin receptors in them, which help in uptake of excess glucose from your bloodstream. So whenever you exercise, the excess blood glucose is being uptaken by these insulin receptors or the muscles in your body. So make sure if you are a diabetes patient, have an exercise schedule of 5 days a week, 20 to 25 minutes against the gravity exercises, which are much more beneficial when it comes to diabetes remission or diabetes control. We discussed about how exercises are beneficial when it comes to diabetes remission. But when it comes to implementation, many diabetes patients have their own reasons of not doing exercises. Many of you don't have time, many of you don't have space, or many of you don't know which exercises should be done to bring diabetes in control. So today I will be sharing about one simple and best exercise every diabetes patient can do from his home or office. Even if you are a CEO, a business owner, a CA or a doctor, you can do this exercise easily from your home or office to bring your blood sugars in control. Anti-gravity exercises. Anti-gravity exercise like calf raise can help you bring your blood sugars down by 20 to 25%. It doesn't require you to join a gym. It doesn't require much space and it can be done easily from your home or your office. Are you planning to change your cooking oil because of high cholesterol or insulin resistance? Let me suggest you can prefer the cold press oil versus the refined oils because refined oils are manufactured at very high degrees, losing their nutrients and they are rich in saturated fatty acids which is harmful for your heart. The cold press oils are manufactured at very low degrees, keeping the nutrients intact and they are rich in mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, helping you reduce the cholesterol levels, the triglycerides levels, and reduction of insulin resistance, which can help you in diabetes control as well.